Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a traditional sew-in on a returning client, and in this video I'm going to dive into why I think sew-ins are the best protective style out there, and yes, even better than braids. So if you're curious, let's dive in. To prep my client's hair for her install today, I'm going in with the Volume Shampoo. The Volume Shampoo is the clarifying shampoo of my plant-based curly hair care line. And what I love about the Volume Shampoo is that it uses bentonite clay in order to lift and pull out impurities and build up from the hair and scalp. So it's a much more gentle way to clarify your hair so that you know that you're getting all the dirt and debris off of your hair, but it keeps your hair moisturized. After shampooing, I'm going in with the deep repair treatment, which is the deep conditioning treatment. And what I love about this is that it uses keratin protein, which is a natural protein found in our hair, in order to strengthen it, while it also uses ingredients like sunflower oil to seal in moisture so you get the best moisture and protein balance. And we all know that moisture-protein balance is so important to healthy growing hair. To assist her deep conditioning treatment to better penetrate her hair and also give her a moisture boost, I love going in with a steam treatment. Now, a steamer is great because it doesn't only help your hair, but it also moisturizes your scalp too. This is so important if you suffer from like a dry and itchy scalp. A steamer really does help your hair and scalp lock in moisture. Alright, so to prep my client's hair for this blow dry, I'm going in with the Emergency Miracle Treatment, which is a leave-in conditioner. And my clients love this leave-in conditioner because it really does hydrate your hair from the inside out. And the way that it's able to do this is because it is a lightweight product. That means that the molecules are small so that they're able to penetrate deeper inside your hair rather than sit on top and leave a greasy film. This helps prevent your hair from getting buildup while you wait until your next wash day. Okay, now to protect your hair from heat, I'm going in with Lay Dew, which is my blow dry cream. Now, enough people don't know about blow dry creams, but it is the best product if you want to keep your hair moisturized after a blow dry. And that is because we know a blow dryer, it really takes away a lot of moisture from the hair. So if you want to keep that moisture you just put in with the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, a blow dry cream is going to help you ward off that dryness as you straighten your hair out. And lastly, to seal in all that moisture we just put in, I'm going in with the amethyst oil, which also has heat protection. So now her hair is protected twice, and we just locked in all this moisture so that we know that her hair can retain it for longer as she wears her install. Alright, so as I blow dry my client's hair, let's quickly dive into what exactly is a protective style. A protective style is a hairstyle designed to minimize stress on your natural hair. It protects it from environmental damage and promotes healthy hair growth by reducing the need for frequent manipulation and styling. Protective styles are meant to keep the ends of your hair tucked away so that you can notice less breakage, less split ends, and better length retention. Now, we all love protective styles because they're definitely a time saver, and they reduce the amount of times that your hands really have to be in your hair, which I think is the main driver as to why people prefer protective styles over anything else. And lastly, protective styles are very versatile. It allows you to experiment with different looks, different colors, without altering your natural hair. Some examples of protective styles are braids such as knotless braids and cornrows, twists such as flat twists and Marley twists, weaves and extensions such as the sew-ins like we're doing today and wigs, and also updos like buns and natural styles like bantu knots, and we can't forget crochet braids as well. Alright, before installing her braids, I love to give a good trim, and that's because I'm trying to let go of any dead ends that may be lingering around that can threaten and really run up her hair shaft. I want to make sure that her hair is as strong as possible before going into a protective style, and that is because it is going to be stronger to withstand the weight of the hair. And also, I want to make sure that her hair is as healthy as possible before going into her protective style so that when she comes out of it, her hair stands a fighting chance and she's not seeing a ton of shedding once her hair comes out. Alright, for her braid down today, I'm going in with the Flex Paste, which is the braid-in gel of the line. And this thing is amazing because it doesn't leave a greasy, heavy residue like most braid-in gels. It really just seeps into the hair. And it uses bentonite clay to protect the hair while it is in the braids. It's perfect for my client because she has fine hair, so it's going to help bulk her hair up and also give her that extra strength while she's wearing her install. And this brings us to the first reason why I think sew-ins are the best protective style, and that is because it requires less tension on the scalp. When you are doing a sew-in, the hair is braided into cornrows and the hair extensions are sewn onto the braids. This allows the weight of the install to be distributed evenly, so this reduces direct tension on the scalp. This is in comparison to individual braids with added braiding hair, where significant tension is often applied to individual sections of hair, which can lead to traction alopecia or breakage, especially if the braids are too tight or heavy. And you can see based off of her braid pattern that her hair is better protected because besides her leave out, her natural hair is tucked away and shielded from environmental factors such as harsh weather and over manipulation. And when you compare it to individual braids, a lot of time, unless you are thoroughly moisturizing your hair, those synthetic hairs are actually stripping moisture from your hair and causing dryness, which later leads to breakage. Alright, so the hair I'm installing today is 20 inches of kinky straight. In the salon, I offer two textures, which is kinky curly and kinky straight, and that is because I love that extensions mimic your natural hair and provide a different texture while protecting your real hair underneath. This allows for versatility in styling because you can use hot tools, or if you want to play around with color, you can bleach, dye, cut your hair to your desired length and look. Alright, so as I sew in my clients' hair extensions, let's dive into another reason why I think sew-ins are the best protective style, and that is because it reduces the risk of breakage. With sew-ins, the extensions are sewn into the hair rather than pulling on individual hair strands. This is a more gentle install and less likely to cause breakage and damage over time. When compared to individual braids, the repetitive pulling and weight on individual hair strands can weaken the hair and increase the risk of breakage, especially along the edges. As you can see, my client's edges are very sparse and it has been like this for a while. I've known her for a long time. So you can see that braids, individual braids, will not be the best protective style for her. She also has very fine hair, so the weight and the tension alone is asking for trouble. Alright, and this is her hair all sewn in, so let's blend in that leave out. Alright, I'm going back in with that amethyst oil because if you remember from earlier, it has that heat protection, but now I want to use an oil rather than a cream because her hair is dry and we want that silky smooth finish. Alright, so as I flat iron her leave out, I want to talk about what I think is the most important reason as to why sew-ins are the best protective style. And that is because it allows you to wash your hair without ruining the style. And that is so important because when you wear like individual braids or any kind of those protective styles, you don't want to wash your hair because it is going to ruin the style. It's going to cause frizz. It's going to really just ruin your investment. So that's why when you wear braids, a lot of people go a month, even longer, without washing their hair. And what I love about a sew-in is that it allows you to wash your hair, get into your scalp, wash your leave out, clean your hair, clean the extensions, and still dry it and make it look good. That's so important when it comes time to taking care of your hair and wanting your hair to grow. The set it and forget it mentality when you wear braids is the main reason why your hair is suffering once you take the braids out. That's honestly why I think sew-ins are the best, is because you can maintain your hair regimen while you wear it. Alright, and here are the final results. I went ahead and lightly flat ironed her hair for a more silky finish, and you can see just how shiny and healthy this hair looks. It is so gorgeous. It's 20 inches of a bust down. And as we look to the front, you can see that that blend is natural and seamless. You can't say it's not her hair. If you want to learn more about how to take care of your sew-in so you can grow your hair, check out this upcoming video. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!